I will show how to buy shares of Axon Enterprise Inc. using the ticker Axon, listed on NASDAQ. Axon makes body-worn cameras, conducted energy devices, and digital evidence software, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. You need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker Axon to find Axon Enterprise Inc. Confirm you select the NASDAQ listing to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the Axon stock page to review the company summary and the price chart, checking the listing shows NASDAQ and the Axon ticker. Make sure the company description matches the public safety technology business before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the cash amount you want to commit, review the order details, and then confirm the purchase. If the market is closed, your order may be queued until it reopens. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before it completes the trade. Your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it over time. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same walkthrough.